Alright, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're just going to be talking about the significant breaker that is currently circling around the 1 hour time frame. It is getting like really hot. Yesterday we mentioned this resistance point here of 18,900, and then you see the market came test this point, and then it went back. The market came and test this point, and then the market went back. It didn't break down. At the same time, investors are waiting. Nobody wants to trade Bitcoin market now. Really, if actually you went into the market yesterday, except for those that short the market, which I did said that if you should be shorting the market from this point, from the point where the market was yesterday at 19,200 down to this point where the market got to 18,940 something. Okay, let's just say you must have gotten a little profit from. Okay, let's just say you have gotten 1%. 1% is not really something huge for those that are going into the market with $100, except you are going for a bigger leverage, a bigger X, which might turn out to be so bad on you if the market goes against you. But for the moment, the investors are really waiting because the inflation report will be reported 2 days from now. It is counting down to be reported 2 days from now, and investors are waiting. Believe me, if our expectation is high, guys, the market will really drop. Doesn't mean if the market drops, it won't pick up. It will still pick up because there are points where everybody wants to get into the market. There are points where everybody wants to get into the market. And believe me, if the inflation report favors crypto, the market will pump hard. Just get in mind that the market will pump hard if the inflation report favors crypto. The market is going to move massively, but if it doesn't, we're going to be dropping massively at the same time. So let's take a look at what this market did here, because there are high volatility that will there's, there's a very big volatility in the market right away, because man, I don't really know what to say, but I'm short of words right now because the situation where the market is right now, we may just wake up and then the market might just break us down, bring us below 18. The market will just bring us below 18, and then if it pump it, the market will just take us out of 19 and keep us around 2800 or 21 if possible, because the speed the market is going to move after the inflation report is going to be high. So we just hope our expectation is going to come up low as the inflation is going to favor us. But if it's high, we'll still recover. It doesn't mean if the market fall below 15k, it won't come up. It will still come up. But let's keep our expectation low. So guys, take a look at what happened here at this point yesterday. The market came, tested this our region here. The market came to this our support zone here. This line was here yesterday. I'm going to play it on the video yesterday, so for those of you who wasn't here, will confirm that it did play out just like we said. The market came to this region here, and then you see there's a bounce back. The market did not break down, because that was what I said in our previous video yesterday, that when this market comes down to this point, that there will be a rejection, because you could see the support zone here is still strong. Investors are just trying to hold the market till the inflation report is announced. Till the US inflation report is announced, and believe me, the US are working hard to make sure that the inflation report is low. They are working hard. I heard of about France bringing out over 10 billion for food production. Man, everybody's working hard to make sure that their inflation report is low. But I do believe this market is going to favor us, guys. Yeah, I have my reasons. My reason might not be as yours, but I have my reason that this market might favor us. Take a look at the our support zone here. Take a look at our support zone. This market failed to break below this our support zone. With its it might come down and break today. I don't know. It might come down and break today, or it might take us back to this point of 19,500. I don't know. But if you take a look at the MACD, it's balancing. The MACD shows us a very good balancing. From this point here, the MACD showed us a very huge balancing. From this point here, the MACD is showing us a very huge balancing. You could see. So we should be expecting the MACD to come back and take us out of this zone. You see, the MACD is showing us a very good balancing. So if that should happen and then the MACD brings us out, giving us an overbought, which it did down here some time ago, which the MACD did some time ago right here, you know, the MACD should bring us back to this point here. That means our target is going to be up here. Yeah, our target is going to be up here, and up here we are getting 2400. You see, that's what I have in mind right now. Up there we are getting 2400. That's why we are getting 2400. This same chart, if you go down to the lower time frame, is there. If you come up to the higher time frame, this chart is still there. So at the moment now, what holds this market is the inflection report. Nothing more. Nobody should tell you anything else. It's the inflection report. That is the only thing that is holding this market down. If not, the market will just have a huge kick up, like a huge kick up. So here, guys, this is the daily time frame. Like I said, investors are waiting for the inflation report, which is going to hit the market so hard. Now, let me quickly show you guys. If we have anything below, here is the report. It says to come 2 days from now. After tomorrow, we'll be waiting for the next day. If we have anything below 8.3, 8.2, the market is going to double like really hard. If we have anything 8.5, you know, the market is going to favor us. I believe the market is favoring us this time around. That's what I believe, because investors are really waiting to get on this market, and the US are trying their best not to increase the inflation report on this time around. They are trying their best to work on that. So I do believe the market is going to favor us. So let's just wait and see what is going to happen. You're still going to get into the market if you wish to. You know, it's a game of luck. So here, and you see Bitcoin has been working massively to make sure it hold this point tight. You know, Bitcoin has been working massively to hold this point tight. But if the inflation report should affect this market that much, that means we will be seeing something below this point of 19k right here, because when this comes, it's going to break below, and we should be seeing this point of 16k on our chart next. And if that choose not to happen, and then the upside choose to come, which daily time frame might break, that means we'll be heading back to our 2024k again. That is where we'll be heading back again if this market choose to go the upside. You see, the daily time frame is still here. It has not given us a bear. It is giving us a bear candle already, but you know, things could change, and then it could start giving us a bullish candle at the same time. You know, we are still on a downtrend, guys. We are still on a downtrend. If you could really see, yeah, we're still on a downtrend, and the downtrend is not ending so soon. It's not going to just end overnight. We're still on the downtrend. Yeah, take a good look at this point. This zone is still holding the market down. Then this particular zone here is still holding the market ransom. At the same time, it's still holding the market ransom. It's not going to be easy, guys. Don't just think inflation is going to come and then everything is going to end overnight. It's not going to end overnight. It's not going to end overnight. We'll still have a lot to do in the market. The market still has a lot of retest zone to visit before we could really get out of this bear market. So guys, make sure you use our Bybit link. You know, a lot of people are yet to claim their airdrop, their $1,000. So just use our link. It's always on our bio. After the video, I do bring it to our bio. So make sure you use our link on our Bybit. Claim your $1,000. It's first come, first serve. Trade the market. Make sure you use a lower time frame, and make sure the previous trend is over, because for every dump the markets give, there's always a pump. So make sure the previous dump was over before you get in, so you could make profit out of the market. That is just the target of everyone trading the futures crypto market. So see you guys in our next video, and thank you.